So I got this one put on, but this rim is a little messed up. It's got like a knock on the back of it where it's dented in, so this one throws the weight off a little hard. You guys asked me to show you what they actually, but these other three are good. You see this one's 1-in-1. This one balance is good. It's gonna be easy. Really nice rubber too. I really like these. You guys asked me to do a review on how easy it is to balance them, which that's pretty good. It's like nothing. Well, they're installed. Pretty damn good. They look almost just like the ones that were on there. So I'll go change, get cleaned up, and then we will drive it and see what kind of road noise and stuff we have. I'll do the alignment this weekend. I'm not so worried about the alignment right now. I just don't have time. Not a bad look. We try to see it, run it, and see what we get. Let's get it on the road. Now this is an all-terrain tire. It's treadwear 520, traction rated A, temperature rated B, and it's called what is it? Travel Star EcoPath. They're called Travel Star EcoPath. 265 75 16. It's a little bit bigger than the factory stuff that goes on here. The factory stuff calls for, I think it's a 245. It's a 225 or a 245. I went up to a 275, and I was told that if I go any larger, or a 265 75 16, that if I go any larger than this, the sidewalls might start to roll. But I actually like the 265 75 16s. They're actually a pretty beefy tire, but at the same time not gouty and huge. So let's go get this thing on the highway. The first thing I'm noticing is, mind you, those other tires were wore out. So these brand new Travel Stars to me are like Cadillacs. I'm getting no road noise at all from the tires. So these tires are super quiet. They feel nice. They're very cushioning over like the bumps and stuff. It helps a lot. But of course, again, you would think that I'd be in favor of them, obviously, over the old wore out ones that I had on here. So far I'm pretty impressed with these, and I feel like pretty good tire. It's much quieter. I like these tires so far. Maybe we'll check back in a couple weeks. Nice tires though. Travel Star EcoPath all terrains, 4-ply, 265 75 16, treadwear 520, traction A, temperature B. Y'all be blessed.